Hello, ocean, are you okay? We see the pain in your waves each day. Your corals fade, your creatures stray. We hear your silent plea, we must find a way. But in sunlit labs, hope starts to bloom. We nurture corals, mend your wounds. With gentle hands we plant new life, a hidden forest free from strife. Hello, ocean, can you hear? Young voices rise loud and clear. We gather bottles, trash impure, each piece removed, a promise sure. From plastic waste, creations gleam, bottles transformed, art takes flight. Reduce, reuse, recycle, ignite. We'll cut the carbon, clear the air, a healthier planet we must share. Hello, ocean, are you okay? We vow to learn, to find a way, to heal the wounds, to ease the pain and bring you back to life again. We love you, ocean, deep and wide. Together we'll protect your tide. We'll be your voice, your friend so true, until your health and beauty renew. The time to act is now, today. We'll be the change, we'll lead the way. We promise, ocean, we'll make things right and fill your depths with life and light.